blacktop. Hey darling, didn't wanna stay. Hey darling, didn't wanna blacktop. What's up, Jooba people? Today we're doing Sleeping on the Blacktop by Colter. And welcome to my new office. Isn't this great? Look at this. We have a window over there. We have some plants. And we have a really nice setup. Nice window light. I love it. Okay, anyway. Let's jump back into the song. So this song is in drop 2 standard tuning. Meaning it's standard tuning. So if you want to play along with me but you don't want to tune all the way down to standard drop 2 tuning, then you just take the capo off, right? Don't use capo. But so he just does this so the strings are a bit more slinky. And I think he's probably using 13 gauge strings, not 12 gauge like I'm using. Okay, then the chords that he uses is basically in the key of G minor, and it's actually not that complicated. So I'm just gonna walk you through the song quickly. It has a basic picking pattern and some riffs, and it has an intro part, which is also the outro. Basically that part. And then the verse and intro also used in the intro, which is the... You know that part. And then the chorus, which is the... which also ends the same way as the verse. So it's basically just 3 parts of the song, and yeah, I'm gonna break it down for you. So let's start with the chord shapes here. We've got the first line of chords that's used in our intro, basically a G7 without a third. And you just basically keep a steady beat on the thumb, and then P, M, P, I. And then you go to the G6, and then to the G with a flat 6, and then G5. That's it. All right. Then we basically have the pinky here the whole time in the song, and these fingers kind of switching the bass string. So that's our B flat chord. It's actually like a B flat 6, and then our C sus2, and then our F, and then back G, and then we can also play a C like this in the chorus. It's a Dorian chord. That's kind of the theme of the thing. And then we also have this very important G minor, which is used in the verse. And there often he does a bend on the 3rd string. Okay, so those are the chord shapes. Now let's jump straight into the intro. The intro, I think I already covered that, you know, but it's basically same pattern, P, 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 and P, I. Okay, so there's the second line. Download the PDF to just follow along. And then when the verse comes along, intro 2, I guess, the same thing that he uses for the verse, it gets interesting. So that's what you do on the G minor. And I like to do a slap here. Sorry. the C, so the B is on the C, so and then the F to the G. Obviously, I'm not playing the same because that's how you play blues, is you do not play every note exactly. But these riffs are there to teach you the gist of it. All right, let's go to the second line. Second line is going to be the same as the first riff. So these two riffs here are exactly the same. Okay, so it's like the structure is A, B, A, C. Okay, not the C chord, but you understand what I'm saying. The rhyme scheme, if you will. Oh, isn't that last riff the coolest? So the last riff goes. You don't have to do the notes in between there. Yeah. You don't really have to do that. You can just go. Your fingers will naturally, as you become comfortable with this song, it'll start to fill in those blanks, all right? So let's go to the chorus, which is the hardest part of the song, I think. Let's make that big as well. Okay, so we've got G5. Same riff. So that G part is. But I like to kind of just get that snare. No, that's not really the chorus. But you get the idea, all right? Second line is the same as the first line, except the ending is different. It's got the same ending as the verse. And then outro is the same as the intro. So pretty basic. Let's quickly go through the chords and lyrics. Let me try singing a part of it, all right? I'm gonna try singing this part. So, sunshine. Sunshine beating on the good times, moonlight raising from the gray, string band playing the honky tonk, pretty young thing on dancing in the rain. High heel ladies on the knickerjack, and a needle in a spoon, coyote shooting on a cigarette, back a young boy in the moon. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Let's do that part. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey darling, sleeping on the blacktop. Hey darling, running through trees, honey. Hey darling, leaving for the next town. There's a my sense up with me. Hey darling. Wow. So that's pretty tough. That's pretty tough to sing and play. So if you can do that, you know, put that in our Jooba People community. Guys, if you want to join my Jooba People community, it's the best place to get all my PDFs quickly and easily and get access to my courses, my challenges, everything. It's super fun. Have a nice day, guys. See you in another video. Goodbye.